Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 2. Let's begin. First, open your browser. I have my Chrome over here. And once you're on the home page, click on the three dots on the top right corner, go to Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Locate third-party cookies, then see all data, see all site data and permissions. Click on it. And on the search bar, simply type Roblox. All you have to do is click on this button and it will delete all of your cache files for Roblox. Once done, you can now close or minimize this window. And on your keyboard, I want you to type Window R and this will pop up on your screen and simply follow or type this percentage local app data percentage and then hit enter or click OK. This will open a file path on your PC and just locate Roblox. Okay, so Roblox, you can scroll down or just simply type R, have Roblox here, right click on it, and then delete. Okay. So once you've successfully deleted this folder, you can now open Roblox or simply re-download Roblox again. It will fix all of the issues relating to your game or this error code number 2. And that's it. You might also need to restart your PC just to make sure everything runs smoothly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.